Most owners form a business. A few owners build a structure. Have you ever heard of the term holding company but didn't understand what that term actually meant for your business? Well, a parent corporation that does not engage in day-to-day operations of its subsidiaries or subsidiary, or I call it its children companies, is generally classified as a holding company. Now, a holding company controls and owns the interest in the company or companies that are under it. That distinction between a holding company and its operating entities or entity is significant in legal context. Here is why that matters. The holding company and the businesses it owns are separate legal entities for liability purposes. A liability in one subsidiary or subsidiaries do not automatically extend to the holding company. It does not automatically go up to the holding company or to any of the other businesses that the holding company owns. That separation is the difference between a problem staying contained within a specific company and a problem taking all the companies down. So for example, a holding company, it can hold IP such as trademark and copyrights. It can hold real property, and it can allow the subsidiary or subsidiaries to use the IP or real property. And if the subsidiary or subsidiaries are sued and loses everything, it only loses what is owned in those four walls of the subsidiary. That can be the difference from starting over and just needing to shift. Unless extraordinary circumstances justify piercing the corporate veil, courts generally respect separate legal identities of the parent corporation and their subsidiaries. For owners with multiple revenue streams and multiple brands, this can be very vital. The structure you build determines how much you stand to lose, and if something goes wrong in one part of your business, how that affects everything. If you are an owner with more than one business, more than one brand, or multiple revenue streams and have no holding structure, this may be your nudge to look more into it. I do not give specific legal advice in DMs, the comments section, or make personal phone calls. If you want specific guidance or consideration for representation, please view the bio or read the post description on how to proceed with investing in your protection. Otherwise, keep learning from My Attorney Knows educational videos with the Ownership Attorney.